And this is one next spray we can use to spray goat. Fenben, they have in a liquid and they have in a powder. And as I can see on the back, one more good for. So you see this? I'll tell you no, this I don't even know this is what. I just go to farm store and see it. And the girl tell me say iron. And to me it look like an iron because it smell like iron and it have the same thing in it like what iron have. And it treat basically the same thing. So this is an antibiotic that I have use now. So this is an antibiotic good for like dog bite or 40 leg bite or so. Or if an animal overall sick, this is good for him. This I want another antibiotic. Basically the same thing like this. Two of them white like milk and the same penicillin. So both of them good for the same thing. And good for other things. So the stress mix and the booster, I use them already because I mix them in the water already. So I don't have them. But I mix in the water and give it good. So if persons that ask where they can get them for buy, you can get them for buy at Chinese. So I serve Westmoreland me there. Remember I said Westmoreland me there. So you can get them for buy Chinese Frank Courts, this or they beside the courts or Big M or then a source one down a clock.